Alright, today Monday, how much today? 18th of April, April 18, call it as you like. Since I cannot continue with the BWA, this is a CJX Data Rapid. Since I cannot continue with the BWA because I don't have the correct connecting rods, I'm gonna continue with the CJX, since I have the correct connecting rods and the pistons. 83mm, correct connecting rod. Now, this is how I open it from the back. Need to be washed first. I have to remove the ARP, wash the ARP, remove also the lubricant, whatever has some oil on it to prevent corrosion, all the parts. Get the weight, check the clearance, connect the big end and the piston to cylinder wall, fix the pistonic gap and putting it together. What I'm gonna show you, I'm not gonna show you the preparation, the washing, the measurements and this kind of stuff. God damn it, these guys. Okay, I have so many videos that I'm doing exactly the same thing. I don't even remember how many. Like I said, weight, clearance, connecting rods, pistoning gap, and then when I'm gonna insert the pistons, check the oil jet to don't interfere with the piston, and then watch each piston at top dead center that comes equal and it's not coming so much high than the deck, because on the specific one we resurface the deck. Not that much, little bit. We're gonna find out when we're gonna put the pistons. Usually when you don't have a resurfaced deck, it comes on 0. That means it's here, let us say the piston is equal with the deck, 0, 0. We're gonna see how much they remove from the machine shop, because it's been a couple of months and I don't remember exactly, and if it's safe. First, when I'm gonna enter the first piston, and then when I see that it's okay, then I'm gonna continue inserting the rest of the pistons. That's it for now. Yeah, for you it's gonna be in a second. For me it's gonna be half day. Half day, because it's pretty much straightforward. This is what I'm using all the time, and they don't have a run out, they don't have a different weight. It's pretty much ready for installation. Where am I now? Finish with the clearance, balancing the weight. Actually, it's already been balanced. Pistoning gap, just double check it to be sure. Okay, what I have done now, I put the number 1 piston, I put oil only on the one cylinder, and I put only the first one. I torque it down, the connecting rod cap, something like 20 Newton meters, not something crazy, because I have to stretch the bolt. I want to measure it when it's free. So, I have the bridge. The bridge, you have seen that before 1 million times. Okay, first I'm resetting it on the lathe, outside, on the rails of the lathe. Then, we have a fresh resurface deck. That means wherever I'm gonna put it, I'm gonna have the same readings. It has to be 0. Okay? So, there I'm at 0. Okay, has a magnet actually. Okay, yep. Let's go here. Slowly. Yep. It's not good to step like that, but it's nice. 0. I mean, you don't have to be so violent. 1 second. Alright, yeah, 0. Has some vibrations, okay. And I'm on the edge there. So, let's measure the piston direct to see how much it is. So, the piston, it comes out of the deck by almost 400mm. That's nothing. This is nothing. You don't have to get any action. It's literally nothing. We sacrifice 400mm. We increase, let us say, slightly the compressor ratio. That's nothing. Literally, it's nothing. To don't have any problem with the deck, to seal properly the heat gasket. It was necessary. That's why I send it for resurfacing. I'm not sending easily blocks and cylinder heads for resurface, but when there is some corrosion and I don't feel nice, I'm doing it. Now, let's put the number 4. No, let's put the number 2 and number 3, because I bring this top dead center. Continue with the number 4. Anything else? Yeah, I'm gonna show you at the end. Let me continue with this. I'm gonna show you at the end. Beautiful, nice, lovely, excellent. Yep, Yep. Did I forget something? I forget something to mention, I mean. From my job I didn't forget something. Now we're gonna install the pistons, make upside down the engine, torque down, stretch down the bolts. Everybody happy? They will not gonna stop grinding. Cylinder number 4, a little bit less than 400 millimeter. Okay. Cylinder number 1. Let's see, where are we? Whoops. A little bit less than 400 millimeter. What does mean that one? That means we are looking good. Yeah, there is a possibility to have 2000 millimeter run out. It's acceptable, it's beautiful, it's excellent. Moving on, make it upside down to stretch the ARP. Finish also with this the CJX, it's done. Okay, time to wrap it and send it back. Now, what's the balance? What I didn't send with the cylinder head? I didn't send this, this, and this. These 3 items. Okay, so I'm gonna wrap it. I'm gonna send with the engine because it belongs to this engine actually. I don't know if they're gonna change the guides or not. From my side, I'm done. I'm ready. That's it. I hope that we're gonna find some time at least to finish the stock M57. I have it now more than a week there.